Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel again. So, this little thing right here, guys, I didn't think I will use it that much. This is the TerraMaster D1 SSD NVMe enclosure, and I've been testing it for the past couple of weeks with a 512GB SSD inside, mainly for moving my video files around, and yeah, it's actually become part of my daily setup now. This is one of those accessories which sounds really simple on paper, but once you start using it, you will realize how much it can be time saving for you. So guys, let's go through the details, the tech specs, and the real life use. Let's go! So let's start with the setup and the first impressions. The whole idea is really simple. You take your own NVMe SSD, put it inside, and turn it into a portable high-speed drive. Setup takes literally a couple of minutes. You open it up, slot the SSD in, screw it down, close it, plug it in, and you're done. No drivers, no software needed to get started, nothing complicated. I tested it on my PC and it picked up instantly. It just shows up like a normal external drive, ready to use. And that's something I really appreciate. No friction, no setup headache, nothing. Now design-wise is actually much better than I expected. It's got a full aluminum body, feels solid, has a bit of weight on it, not heavy, but enough to feel premium. And the main thing here is the cooling. There's no fan inside, so it's completely silent. No noise, no vibration, nothing. Instead, it uses passive cooling with a larger heat dissipation area. Dissipation area. And in real use, that actually works. I did a few longer transfers, moving multiple large files back to back, and it stayed warm, but never got that point where you feel like performance is dropping. So for a fanless enclosure, this doing a really good job. And now let's talk about the most important part, the speed. This is a 10 Gbps enclosure, so with a decent SSD inside, you're getting around that 1000 MB per second range. And in real life, yeah, it delivers. I've been transferring 4K video clips, fully project folders, exported files, and it's one of those things where you hit copy and it's basically done instantly. Like a 1 GB file takes around a second, sometimes even less depending on the file. And the difference compared to a normal USB drive or older external HDD, it's night and day. Everything just feels instant. For me personally, this fits perfectly to my daily workflow. After filming, I usually have a bunch of clips sitting on my camera or phone. Instead of waiting around, I just dump everything straight onto this SSD. Then I plug it into my laptop or my computer, open up my editor, and I'm ready to go. I've even tried editing directly off it, and honestly, no issues. No lag, no stuttering, it just keeps up. And that's where something like this really shines. It removes those small delays that add up over time. And another thing where is actually really useful. Not just a feature on paper, it's the mobile backup. Using the TDAS app, you can connect it to your phone and transfer photos, videos, or back everything up directly. So if you are shooting content on your phone, you don't have to rely on cloud uploads or deleting stuff to free space. You can just move everything straight to the SSD, quick and easy. And now let's speak about the compatibility, the portability, the reliability, and the safety. Size-wise, this is exactly what you want. It's compact, lightweight, and it's easy to carry. I just throw it in my bag and forget about it. It doesn't need external power, just one cable, plug it in and you're good. I also tested it with different devices, laptop, PC, even a TV, and it worked across everything without any issues. So yeah, a proper plug and play experience. And when it comes to the storage, reliability is obviously important. This has built-in protection like short circuit protection, surge protection, and ESD protection. So your SSD and your data are actually protected during transfers. And since there is no fan or moving parts, there's less chance of something falling over time. So who is this for actually? I think the main thing with this is it's simple, but it solves a real problem. If you deal with large files, even occasionally, this makes a big difference, especially for content creators, photographers, students, or anyone moving big files regularly. Or even Mac users who just need extra fast storage without overcomplicating things. So guys, my honest thoughts is, the only thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't come with an SSD, so you need to buy one separately. But honestly, I actually prefer that because you can choose exactly what you want in terms of speed and storage. By the way, it's compatible up to 8 terabytes, so yeah boy. But yes, I'm using a 512 GB SSD right now, which works perfectly for my needs, but you can go much higher if needed. So yeah guys, after using it a couple of weeks now, this is one of those accessories that quietly becomes essential. It's fast, silent, reliable, and it just makes your workflow smoother without you even thinking about it. So if you are working with videos, pictures, or large files, this thing guys, it can come very handy in everyday use, in every situation, in every workflow. I absolutely recommended this product. Oh, and did I mention it's crush proof? It's tested 1.2 ton. It's dust proof, so absolutely nothing. And it's waterproof. IP67. So what you want more? So if you want to check it for yourself guys, I will drop down the link in the description below. And thank you TerraMaster to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. Okay guys, it was Akos from ATech Flow. It was a TerraMaster D1 SSD NVMe enclosure from TerraMaster, and I'll catch you in the next video. If you want, subscribe. If you want, hit the like. If you're not. Oh, have a good day everyone, have a good week everyone, and have a good month everyone. Catch you in the next video. Bye.